Have a broken tailgate latch on a 10th gen F150. Gotta let out and release it to drop the tailgate. That's what I'll be replacing. First thing I'm gonna do is take off this plate, and it's a T30, Remove these 4 bolts. Should be 6, but I'm missing 2 of them. Hopefully this has been done prior to me owning the truck. Now that all 4 or 6 screws are removed, the top piece here, and your 2 bolts for the latch itself. Finger loose. So I have the new tailgate latch and the old tailgate latch, which shouldn't have to remove either of these pieces. These are finger loose. So what I'm going to do is just remove these 2 pieces, push this back up through, and start tightening it down. For reference, when you switch out your locks, you want this tongue here, or lock mechanism, on the outside. It's just this pin here. This is the old pin. Pop it out, pull it out, put it in. Only fits one way. Got this big piece, little piece, slides in. Mine was fairly snug, and then you just push this pin piece in, and that's it. So there's 2 clips here, and if you can see them, you got to clip them in here, and there it is, right there. Right here's one, and then that one you can actually see. Got to clip them in so they hold like they're supposed to before you tighten these bolts down. Me. On a side note, I was looking to replace these two bolts I got here that I was missing with my tailgate, and I found two, and they are both T30s, and if I'm not mistaken, they came off of a ZJ Jeep Grand Cherokee. I think it was a 95.